All right, at my sister's house, about to check on my garden that she says she's been watering.
It's still a little bit
Scary. Oh, I got boots on. I don't know. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's like a forest back here with all of this grass. Oh my God. This is crazy. Look at my cucumbers. I'm about to pull my tomato plants up. Oh, look at the watermelon. Okay, come. Oh, Jesus Christ. You gotta be careful in her backyard, y'all. She got snakes.
But you see, these ones gone rotten. This one's rotten. That one's rotten.
What happened?
I moved it. When I see that, it's like, what you call it? I moved
Because it's in the same spot.
I don't know. I just started moving them.
Oh, poor little thing. So now we
Two
need
of them.
3.
1, 2,
Only 3 left. Hopefully one of them make it.
So, like, he was sitting here, I think. Or no, he was sitting here and I moved him there. That one was sitting there. I moved it.
Oh, I wonder if it's just this plant. Dang it, I meant to buy some feed. Like, plant food. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. I need to cut this grass. This is crazy.
Right here,
somebody told me that this is edible. Let me know in the comments down below. It's like, oh, I wish I lived by you because I would take it all and eat it. I said, you can have it. Apparently, it's edible. But those tomato plants are about to get pulled up.
And what you doing?
I've been trying to make myself a sauce. We'll see. We shall see. Did these potatoes come up or... Y'all know, these are the ones I threw over. I've been digged them up. I've been digged them up, but I couldn't remember if I had buried them or not.
What?
I couldn't remember if I had buried them or not. So, yeah. Tomato plants are looking bad. I got one red cayenne. I'll take you, buddy. All right, I need to cut this grass first so that I can function. And then I think I'm going to pull up the tomato plants. So I'm going to take the tomatoes that are still good. And then, you said you saw it. Look inside of my greenhouse. I hate that I live 30 minutes away from her now. I'm not going to touch this greenhouse until fall hits because scary. I'm not going to go inside of there. But I have to put some gloves on. And I'm going to try my best to clean up what I can. Get rid of some plants. I'm basically ready. I'm getting ready for the fall planting because I'm about to start my seeds. Oh my God, who knew that marigolds grew this big? Y'all know I'm easily distracted. All right, you guys. I'm gonna try my best to clean up some of this mess. So now that I am 30 minutes away from my sister's house, I am thinking about giving up on summer gardening only. All right, so I made myself a little pathway. I cut some of the grass. What I'm gonna do is pull up the ones that are dying or have died, dump the soil into this raised bed. This is where I've been dumping all of my soil. And, you know, yeah, this is about to take forever and it's already late. We shall see how much I get done. But I'm going to start over here with these flowers and just dump them. I know it's only July, y'all, but me living 30 minutes away now sucks. Once we get situated in our new place, I'm gonna be here like every other day instead of every day like I was before. But in the fall, I won't have to come that often because, you know, it's the fall and it's gonna be cooler. All right, so let me get to moving these plants from where I need to cut the grass over to where I've already semi-cut the grass. So the reason why I am thinking about giving up on summer gardening is because, again, my sister lives 30 minutes away from me. It's not hard to get over here, but I get off at 5 o'clock. I have to wait in traffic just to get here at a decent time, like before it gets dark. Also, it's just too hot for me to be like, oh, okay, I can water them tomorrow. It's just been too hot. It's been in like the hundreds. So we haven't been getting that much rain. We started off getting a lot of rain beginning of the summer. Now it's just been scorching hot. So again, I am thinking about giving up on summer gardening at my sister's house. Now, I may plant a little something at our new house. I'm not 100% sure. I may have to just put raised beds like I have in the back there against the shed So I might do that instead at our house. Not 100% sure, but I am getting excited about the fall gardening. I've gone over my list of stuff that I'm going to start. I will more than likely be starting my seeds next week for my fall garden. Have you guys started your fall garden seeds? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you plan on growing this fall. I think that gardening at my sister's house in the fall is going to be a whole lot easier simply because I don't have to get there like every day, or I don't have to go there every day because it's not going to be that hot and everything won't need to be watered that often either. Also, I'm not using grow bags. Well, you know what? No, I'm not. Well, maybe in the fall they might be okay, but I know I'm not going to be using too many grow bags when it's the summertime next year, like at my own house, or if I even decide to plant a little something at her house, I will not be using these grow bags because they suck up entirely too much moisture and I was not able to get there that often. So a lot of things were like, I won't say they were dying this year, but they were extremely thirsty by the time I got to my sister's house. Even though she told me that she was watering them, yeah, she didn't. She likes to fib, but yeah, I am thinking about giving it up on summer gardening. All right, so I have separated them into two piles. This one is going to be keep. Those are the ones I'm going to dump. These are basically a lot of cucumber plants. I left this, I don't even remember what this was. This was, oh, what's that noise? This one was cauliflower, but I had saw like something was eating it. So I was like, I'm gonna just let this stay and let whatever's eating it, eat it. So it leaves my other plants alone. And that's what happened. So yeah, I am about to finish cutting the grass around here. My poor greenhouse, so neglected. Oh, I forgot about these ones. So neglected, so neglected. But yeah, I am about to just go ahead and finish cutting the grass, and then I'm also going to put the stuff back where, oh, these dang on bugs. Anyways, I don't know where I'm going to put these last ones. I'm thinking we shall see. Let me just go ahead and finish cutting the grass. I'm gonna put them back and then I will be back on camera. I know I keep saying that I am excited about fall gardening, but the number one thing that I am most excited about is that I have all of this soil and I don't have to buy anymore. This past summer, or not this past summer, but this summer, I spent a ton of money on soil. Just put it like that. I couldn't even. I don't know. I don't know. I know I spent a lot of money on soil, so I'm happy I don't have to buy any soil for the fall. I might get like some starter soil because I messed up the cocoa core. You know how you do the cocoa core yourself and perlite and vermiculite yourself, y'all. I don't know. I don't know if I'm doing it right or what, but yeah. I might just be buying the starter stuff. I don't know. We'll see. But I know I am going to start those seeds this upcoming week. I was going to wait until the weekend, but hey, I'm going to start them here at my house and put them in the little greenhouse that I have here. You guys remember last year that little tiny plastic one I got from, I think I want to say I got it from Lidl. It's not, it was like $25 or something like that. And it's been holding up, so I like it. But yeah, I am excited about not having to buy soil for the fall. The one produce or vegetable or whatever you want to call it that I'm most excited about for the fall is it's going to be the collards. I love collards, and those collards that I grew, you know, you guys, I was stressing out over them in the beginning, and then when they started to grow, oh my god. But anyways, when they actually started to grow, they were so freaking good. So I love me some collards. I am going to grow a lot, hopefully, and I am going to freeze them this year. I do still have some that from my garden that I froze. That I picked them this year. So I picked them this year. So they're still in the freezer. But guess what? I am still going to get a whole bunch. I think I'm going to put all colors back where I have the tomatoes. I'm going to have to look it up to see if I can do that. Since the tomatoes are in there, would it be okay if I planted collards there. Now, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll see. We'll see. And I do want to get more raised beds like what I have now because, yeah, like I said, these grow bags about stress me out. They about stress me out. I might put broccoli in the grow bags because this year they did do well. So I know broccoli did well in those. I don't know. I'll have to think about what I am actually going to put into the grow bags because, like I said, those grow bags take up all the moisture. Like my poor plant roots don't get no water whatsoever. I mean, they get it, but still. All right, so look at what's in my garden, y'all. I don't know if I'm cut out. Honestly, at this point, I don't know if I'm cut out anymore. Snakes, spiders, like what else? What else is there gonna be? And this one. And on that note, you guys, I'm done. That spider, I'm done. I did not get to the tomatoes. Maybe I'll come back on Saturday. Tomorrow's the 4th. But y'all see how much I'm sweating? Like, oh no, Pippo! Or no, that's a mosquito bite. Listen, you know what? I did not get to the tomatoes. I will come back on Saturday. Anyways, let me just show you guys. Everything else is done. Only thing I have to do are the tomatoes. I moved all of the plants around. I moved the peppers over here and some of the okra as well. I don't eat okra, but I'm gonna just pick it. Anybody in my zone? 8A that wants some okra? Listen, I don't think I'm doing this right. Listen, I'm about to tear the whole plant up. Fix it, Jesus. All right, there we go. I won't pick no more because I don't have any shears out. But okra is doing fine. I don't know anything about okra. Peppers are on a struggle bus this year. Last year, I had actually started my peppers from seed. And this year, you guys remember I went to Vegas and my husband and my daughter let my seedlings die. So I had to go to the farmer's, dang it, what is it called? The garden nursery and get some up. I might just be pulling up all of these tomato plants because as I look at these tomato plants, I don't think they're good anymore. You see that? Yeah, I don't think these are good anymore. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Oh, and my little spider friend, he will talk to you guys in the next one as well. I don't know if you guys can see him. Say goodbye, Mr. Spider. Please don't be here on Saturday. But y'all see how I'm so distracted. Y'all see how it's like zigzag? How cool is that? Anyways, talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.